everybody, and welcome to this video on the tan graph. In this video, we have a look at the horizontal shifts of the tan graph. So the horizontal shifts are controlled by the p-value, and it shifts the graph left and right. So a positive value shifts the graph to the left, and it's opposite to logic because of that minus, and a negative value shifts it to the right. So here we're having a look at two graphs, y is equal to tan x and y is equal to tan x plus 90x. So what we have is that this tan graph is our original unshifted graph, and you should know that the asymptotes for this graph is that x is equal to 90 and x is equal to 270. So here we have the white graph, and the second one is x plus 90. So this one here is shifted 90 degrees to the right, to the left. Okay, and we know it's left because it's the positive, and the positive is to the left. So you'll note that each point on the graph has been shifted 90 degrees to the left, including the asymptote. So then this asymptote, x is equal 90, now becomes x is equal to 0 degrees. The second asymptote, x is equal to 270, now becomes x is equal to 180 degrees. So everything about the tan graph has been shifted 90 degrees to the left. So the x-intercept that used to be at 0 and 0 is now at minus 90 at 0. This one here that was 180 and 0 is now 90 and 0. So that is what happens to the tan graph. And now the new asymptotes are x is equal to 0 degrees and x is equal to 180 degrees. The period of the graph stays the same, so that we don't have to change. Let's have a look at an example. So it says, what are the asymptotes of the graph? So for the first one, it's our unshifted graph, which we know the asymptotes are x is equal to 90 and x is equal to 180. In the second case, this graph has been shifted 30 degrees to the right. So the positive tells us it's 30 degrees to the right. So these asymptotes will also be shifted 30 degrees to the right. So the one will become 120, and this one here will be x is equal to 210. That is shifting both of them 30 degrees to the right. Now this one here is shifted 45 degrees to the left. And how do we know it is to the left? Because of that plus. So these x equals 90 will become x is equal to 45 degrees, which is 45 degrees to the left. And the second one is x is equal to 135, which is 45 degrees to the left. I hope that you have understood these concepts. If you have not, please watch the video again. If you have, please watch the rest of the movies in our series.